Hi guys, today we are really excited because we have just received these really wall sconces for revenue purposes. As you can see, we have the installation steps right here in the manual with all the important information to know about these wall sconces, and I think that they are really nice because they have a really beautiful design. Each one of the main pieces comes really well protected with foam or a plastic bag, and as you can see, we have all the pieces that we're going to need to do the wiring in this red bag, all the other pieces then we're gonna need to install them, and everything that we need. So I think that they are really nice. This is the light fixture. This is a glass fixture, and I think that it looks amazing. It's crystal clear, which I think that is nice. And what I also like about this wall sconces is that you can get also the light bulbs, which I think that they are really nice. These light bulbs uses a E26 base to install them and use them, which I think that they are really nice. Also, what I like about these light bulbs is that they are warm white. So, well, let's go ahead and start the proper installation of these lamps to see how they look and how they work, okay? Let's go. The proper installation process is actually really simple, and it doesn't take that much long. You can do it all by yourself. You just need to install the base, adjust the main unit to the base, and do the proper wiring, which I think that this doesn't take that much long, and it's really simple. Once that we have finished the installation process, we can go ahead and place the light bulbs, and once that we have it ready, as you can see, they look amazing. They have a really nice vibe to them, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.